Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 10 and is also a landmark in your journey of learning French. Congratulations and all the very best for your next lesson. This is Lesson 10 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at fruits. Let's start with today's lesson. Fruit. Le fruit. Apple. La pomme. Banana. La banane. Orange. L'orange. Lemon. Le citron. Lime. Le citron vert. Grapefruit. Le pamplemousse. Grape. Le raisin. Strawberry. La fraise. Raspberry. La framboise. Blueberry. La myrtille. Blackberry. La mûre. Cherry. La cerise. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Peach. La pêche. Plum. La prune. Apricot. L'abricot. Pear. La poire. Kiwi. Le kiwi. Pineapple. L'ananas. Mango. La mogue. Papaya. La papaye. Watermelon. La pastèque. Melon. Le melon. Cantaloupe. Le cantaloupe. Honeydew. Le melon miel. Fig. La figue. Date. La date. Pomegranate. La grenade. Coconut. La noix de coco. That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Avocado. L'avocat. Passion fruit. Le fruit de la passion. Lychee. Le litchi. Dragon fruit. Le fruit du dragon. Guava. La goyave. Star fruit. La carambole. Persimmon. Le kaki. Cranberry. La camberge. Gooseberry. La groseille. Mulberry. La mûre. That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Olive. L'olive. Nectarine. La nectarine. Clementine. La clémentine. Mandarin. La mandarine. Tangerine. La mandarine. Kumquat. Le kumquat. Soursop.
Le corosol.
Jackfruit.
Le jacquier.
Durian.
Le durian.
Rambutan.
Le ramboutan.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. We will meet again in the next video.